You know, I spend a lot of my time working with organizations, helping them change their culture, a lot of change management. And, you know, change can be a dirty word. You know, a lot of times people are like, well, I don't want to change. Why can't we keep doing it the same way? And I understand that, but the reality is that when living things grow, they change. When my kids grow, they change. And it's the same for your organization. It's the same for you. You should always be in this process of change. And what I've realized for leaders to achieve more, they have to have the SOS method of change. The SOS method of change management to change culture, to change behavior, to really get the results they want. And so here's what it means. It's SOS, is that first you have to see it. S, the first S, see it. See, because if I can't see it, I can't change it. And I think everything depends on what you see. So you might need some help to see it. And that way I invite leaders to go get some feedback on their behavior, on their organization. That can be done through 360s, employee engagement surveys. I mean, send me an email and I can give you a list of different ideas that you can do. But first you got to see it. And then the second one I think is even more powerful. You have to own it. O, S-O-S. So you see it and then you have to own it. See, because I never change what I don't take personal responsibility for. In fact, ownership is the most powerful motivator in any organization. So if you don't own it, it's like you can see it, but if you don't own it, you're not going to change it. You're not going to do anything. You don't do anything that you don't personally own. So you have to see it, you have to own it, and then you can solve it. Listen, if you're just trying to solve it and you're just trying to help people solve it without them seeing it and owning it first, you're really missing it. And so maybe take a step back. Instead of just trying to solve it with people, first help them see it, then help them own it, and then you can solve it. Listen, you can create an awesome organization. And I appreciate you being here with me, and I'd love to show you how. So shoot me an email and we'll be in touch.